But this time we're going to invite Old MacDonald to the city. Now we're going to teach Old MacDonald how to cross the road. Yes, look in the front. All the children look in the front and music please. Okay. Go. Dance up. Shake your butt, shake your butt. Old MacDonald cross the road. And on the road there's a car. Look in the front. We both. Beep beep then, beep here, beep then, everywhere, beep beep. Oh MacDonald cross the road. Then faster. Okay, look in front. Oh, here you go. Oh MacDonald cross the road. And on the road there's a bike. Go. Go. Oh MacDonald cross the road. Faster. Oh MacDonald cross the road. And on the road there's a bicycle. Go. Motorbike. Oh MacDonald cross the road. Faster. Okay. Oh MacDonald cross the road. And on the road there's an ambulance. Go. Beep.